Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man out here in the shop. It is Tuesday night, I believe. Lord only knows at this point, April 20th, maybe the 19th. It's 5 minutes to 11. Last night we were out here till 11 o'clock. We didn't do any video, but we have got a lot done since then. As you can see behind me, the old Camino is starting to get closer and closer to that finish mark. But just sitting here tonight, reminiscing with Brad. He's on his way out now, if you can hear him out there. That's Brad leaving. Rowdy's already gone down to Rowdy's Wash in Wellsburg, West Virginia, which is the official car wash of Mongo's Garage, even though I haven't been down there in 3 months to wash any of my vehicles. But just sitting here reminiscing a little bit, talking about, you know, past projects and everything, and projects to come, Too Tall, and everything that we've got going on. Just, you know, realizing that this is a lot of work. It's rewarding, though. That's kind of what's fun about being out here, is the reward of being able to see what you've done, knowing that you've done it right. Like that passenger side window, I've spent, I probably put 2.5 hours on it tonight, and I would say definitely 2.5 hours last night. But I finally got it, I think, right to where, you know, it's going to work consistently and reliably, and Rowdy won't have any problems with it. So it's a job well done, and, you know, you feel good about it. So let's take a look, see what we got done here tonight. As you can see down the side of the Camino, I went ahead and put the stripe on it. I don't know what Rowdy thinks of the stripe yet, because he hasn't seen it. I put it on after he left. So we'll see what he thinks of it. I only did the driver's side so far, but Brad really likes it, and I think it does separate it and set it off really nice. The guys have been busy putting rubbers on. They got the rubber on the fuel tank door there. Got the rear bumper on the thing. This is that passenger window. I think I'm pretty happy with it. How it installed. It's good and clean. Everything's in. Inside here, those are the additional mounts for the driver's side 60/40 bench seat. We got those welded in. Tomorrow night I'll get these welded in. We can get them all painted. Ready to set the carpet in the thing. Then once all the carpet's in it, we get all that done, I can go ahead and get the dash and everything put in it and start putting interior pieces in. I don't know if you want to call that a miracle. Maybe one of the 7 wonders of the world. How those doors, when you finally get them adjusted, how they actually, everything works just like it's supposed to. See, we got the front bumper on last night. Midnight push, trying to get everything done. Front of the car looks really nice. All that new stuff on it. I did go ahead and refurbish the Chevrolet symbol. Made it look really nice. Got a bunch of dust on the hood from that rug they put up there to protect it while I was welding in the interior. That'll all wipe off. So yeah, I think the stripe looks really good down the side. We'll get that done to the other side and across the back, and then I did get a maroon stripe for the bottom, maroon and silver. We'll see what it looks like, whether Rowdy wants to put it on there or not. So yeah, we have been busy out here burning that midnight oil. It's now 11 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and hit the house, go to bed, because I am tired. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around here with us in the garage. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 600. Matter of fact, by the time this video airs here next Sunday, I may very well be at 600, and that's another milestone. So thank you so much for that. And as we continue along with the projects, let us know what you think. Drop us a comment in the bottom there, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. See ya.
What you doing, Mongo?
Trying to put this on here to where it looks like it belongs on here.
Here we are.
Nope, wrong look.
Oh, look.
Well,
You like it?
now you're too far away.
You got the grape ape tonight?
The doormax did it better. I'll show you something and we'll go.
Hey, everybody!
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man with you here. It is Friday night. I'm sorry. It's Saturday morning, just about 1:45. We're wrapping up out here, put a late night in again tonight. We got the dash back into El Camino and did some more gingerbread work. Let's check out what we've done. That's right. We got the rally wheels on it. Rowdy took those to work, sandblasted them, painted them, and got the new tires put on. White letters out, of course. Got to be cool. So in the rear, he went with the biggest meat you can put on an old El Camino. That's a P245/60 R15 BFG radial terrain, TA. The center caps are being painted for those old rally wheels, so once they're done, we'll be able to check that out. And as you can see, we did opt for the lower stripe, but we opted for a red line on that lower stripe to kind of break it up a little bit. And I kind of dig it, man. It really kind of makes it pop. I think it definitely makes it look like a Chevy now. It's just enough, not too much. Nice little stripe on the top. Got the silver on it. All the glass, at least the glass that I can put in is in. This is what the dash looks like. It's all in there. Still got some more stuff to do there. The toe kicks have to be in, or have to be installed. That's the plastic pieces that go above your feet. And then, of course, you're going to put the center in it there and the instrument cluster, but we're not sure what we're going to do for an instrument cluster yet. Rowdy is still looking for parts for that. Rear bumper's installed. We're still working on the lights. As you can see, the wiring harnesses are dangling there. That all has to be taken care of yet. I think Rowdy is going to get a new set of brake light assemblies, but I'm not sure. It is a budget build after all. This is what she looks like from the driver passenger side. Those front tires, of course, are smaller. They're not the 245/60s. Front tires are a P215/65 R15. They look pretty good too. Got all the keys worked out. We do have a key to lock and unlock all the doors and the glove compartment, as well as, of course, the key for the ignition. What do you think of it, Chowderhead?
Looks good.
What do you got there in your hand?
Lots of extra parts.
What parts?
Windshield wipers.
Windshield wipers. We'll be needing those soon.
Whew, it's cold outside.
So tomorrow morning we've got a gentleman coming, Richie Ballich. You guys will get to meet him here shortly. He's going to put the windows in this car. Every window that's left has got to be glued in. And you'll also get to see that the window glue that I used on Pat was 3M window weld, and it doesn't work. It actually released off of KJ's window, and it is leaking like a sieve. So we're gonna let Rich put a new windshield in it, especially since I cracked that one. But we'll be back out here tomorrow working on the old El Camino. So that's it for now, everybody. Glad that you could come along with us. And like I said earlier in this video, it was quite possible before you see the video that I would have 600 subscribers, and we toppled that mark today. Another great milestone here for the channel. I really appreciate everybody who has subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't yet, I would appreciate you really thinking about it and go ahead and hitting that subscribe button. So, all right, see you in the morning. Well, see you in a little bit.
Where's your arm?
Huh?
Where's your arm that you mount?
I have one, but I don't.
He knew he was going to have help.
Try not to let the bottom hit. What do you want to do?
Yeah, right now.
Get closer. There.
Hold still there, Ryan.
What she said.
You're good.
Good?
Let's go on the inside and see where I can line it up.
Oh, you're asking me. I don't know much about the edge and where it needs to be. Probably right there.
You'll know it when you see it, right?
Probably right there, he says.
I got about 3/8 from here to the glass.
You're pretty close.
Pretty close. Hey, get on up here, help me guide this.
Hey, you got those on the inside, bro.
Hold on. Sorting out.
Watch how these work, Kendall.
I see that. They got little pumps on.
Yeah, they pump up.
What's he doing the video for? Don't be putting me on that damn phone.
I get your head cut off. Porno.
He'll cut your head off.
I gotta redo something real quick.
Okay.
Hold that.
Do it. Is that alcohol there, or is that like a primer?
That's make me stick stuff. But the inside's gonna have a lot of squeeze.
Yeah, look, I put some.
Oh, sorry. Oh, just let it dry and it'll come off. But what's the inside cover?
You done with me?
Sound like a prostitute. You done with me, sir?
$20 extra. I got stuck here.
Oh.
Yeah, me too.
That's when I stepped down before I turned around.
Hey, YouTube, you got the old Mongo Man out here in the shop, 11:45 Saturday evening. Rowdy just left. Rich just left. KJ's been in bed. And I'm out here doing the wrap-up for the video this week. I don't mean to be telling tales out of school, but let me tell you what. The old El Camino has grown up. I don't know if you guys have ever really put something together or built something and seen it come together there's always that point you really realize that, yeah, this is going to be something. Well, that happened right about when we put those tires on there. And then we got the red stripe on the side of the thing, and that really made it pop. But today, getting the windshield and the quarter glass and that rear glass in it, she's almost done, boys. Let's take a look. Oh, hell Camino in all its glory. So brand new windshield has been installed. As you can see, we got most of the trim rings and everything installed as well. Side glasses, we all know, I struggled with all that and got it installed. Quarter windows are done. Got the new, not new, but we got the trim and everything on those. The rear glass is also installed now. Looking very good, other than the water stains in it. But I'm pretty sure those will come out. We have laid the all the stainless around the bed. I was looking for the best ones that we have so we can get them cleaned up. That's going to be part of Rowdy's job tomorrow. KJ and I removed the transmission from his 2001 Super Duty tonight. We're going to be taking a little road trip tomorrow to take that thing over to Ohio to get it rebuilt. Because with the truncated timetable that we're going to have to put that truck together, I'm not going to have an opportunity to pull that transmission apart and rebuild it. I'd like to give it a shot, but I don't want to be under the gun to try and have to get it done. The hell Camino is really close to being done. What has to happen now is the interior needs to be completed. So everything on the exterior is pretty much wrapped up, other than the molding around that back window and the stainless around the bed. All right, so I'm going to hit the house here. It's been a long day for me. We got a bunch done today on all kinds of fronts. KJ's Pat got a new windshield. The hell Camino got a new windshield and all the side glass installed. We did a bunch of trim installation. I did a bunch of cleanup this morning here around the house. So it's been a pretty busy day. Oh, well, I'm not going to tell you about that one yet. You'll find out soon enough. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.